Hi, welcome to CloudTech Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix fail to bypass CloudFlare in Mihon app. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your phone browser. So right here on my phone browser, I'm making use of Chrome. The next thing you have to do is to type in what is my user agent's IP address. So you just send it and then it's going to bring out this home page for you. Click on the what is my user agent. You just copy this. Having done that, the next thing you have to do is to go to your Mihon app, click on the more option here, scroll, click on settings, click on advanced. From here you just scroll gently to the bottom, click on the fourth. You're going to see the option that says the fourth user agent string. Click on it, edit what you have there and paste what you just copied. Now you click on the OK option. So from here, having done that, the next thing you have to do is to go to your phone storage by clicking on your settings, search for your app list by clicking on your app management, which will take you to your app list. So from your app list, you're going to search for the Mihon app, click on it, clear your storage, you just clear your cache. You can also clear access if you want to. Having done that, the next thing you have to do is to go back, restart your phone by clicking on your power button steadily. Click on the restart option and restart your phone. So guys, that is it on how to fix fail to bypass CloudFlare in Mihon app. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow CloudTech Fix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.